Today we're going to review how to install a rear-facing convertible seat. So the first thing you want to do on the convertible seat is find the recline mechanism. On this particular seat, it's a foot that flips down to recline the seat in the car. And then there's a line on the side of the seat. On this seat, it's stamped into the plastic, and you want that line to be parallel to the ground. On other seats, they may have different settings you can use for the reclines, and you just need to make sure that the ball or the bubble is in the proper zone. So make sure you review your car seat manual to identify that. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and install with the seat belt through the rear facing belt path. This seat can turn around and forward face, so it's important that you make sure you're not using the forward facing belt path, you're using the rear one. Go ahead and thread the seatbelt through here and buckle it. And then you want to push down and pull up on the seatbelt to remove all the slack from it. Pull it all the way out until the end so it stops, and let it click back in to show that it's locked in place. And again, push down and tighten. And then you do want to check for movement, giving the seat a firm handshake along the belt path to make sure that it moves less than an inch. If it is moving too much, you may have to tighten it one more time and then check again. And then you do just want to double check that that line is parallel to the ground, and then you should be ready to go ahead and buckle your child in the seat.